So, today, we're gonna be playing Legend of in the Forest. And, we should get into it. I just did a really long run. I'm gonna start, right now, with 5 people, because I'm a big loser and I'm a big baby. And, yeah. Come on, lady, don't you want to join? 99 days, 43 children with hope. I don't know what to do. And, what's this? Is this a house? Oh. Lady is robbing it? Wait, what's this? I've never seen this before. Is this like an axe? Oh, guys, I was trying to record a video last time, but then this guy, the guy with the username called GGGamers 2098. He joined, and without a second thought, I thought maybe he's just a fan of my channel. And now he followed me into this game, and I think he's a stalker. He has an axe too, and he's gonna kill me. Oh, what's that glowy thing over there? Oh! What? Somebody, that guy right there is following me. He's a stalker. Is that a watchtower from? Huh? What's it gonna give me, huh? Did it just give me a gun? Is that a dog? A doggy. Oh, no, it's not biting me. No. Evil doggy. The doggy, I'm so scary. I'm gonna hide up here. Ah! Oh no! My dying words, I have to say. Please go, that stalker, bro. That stalker is so